Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Consideration. In simple words, consideration is the mutual benefit that would accrue on performance of the contract. You may also say that consideration is the price of the contract that is exchanged between the parties to the contract. So you may view consideration as two-faced coin. Mutual benefit that accrues to the party in one hand and the price that is exchanged between the parties on the other hand when the contract is performed. For example, the promisor promises the promise to pay some money. In return, the promisee promises to provide the agreed goods and services. You may think other way also. The promisor promises to provide the agreed goods and services, and in return the promisee promises to pay the price. An agreement made without consideration is void. So as per definition, consideration is an act or abstinence from acting for promise done at the desire of the promisor by the promisee or any other person. On the basis of above statement, consideration is doing something, it is an act of doing something, or abstinence or forbearance. It may also be an abstinence or forbearance, which means not to do something. For example, not to file a court case, complaint, etc. Benefit in return. The term consideration ordinarily means quid pro quo, that is something in return. So consideration is the benefit gained by a party to the contract in return of promise made by him. So a consideration may consist of either in some right, interest, profit or benefit accruing to one party. Conversely, it may also be some forbearance, detriment, loss or responsibility undertaken by the other. Essential elements of consideration. Benefit to one party. It must give rise to some benefit to one party or loss to the other party in return to the promise. The beneficiary may be third person. Example, X promised to pay donation to a club. This is not a valid contract as there is no benefit accruing to X. Move through promise. It must move through a promise. A voluntary act does not give rise to a consideration. Example, A saved B's goods from fire without being asked by B. A cannot demand payment from B for the voluntary services not asked by B. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.